Hello learners, today in this lecture we will discuss about amines. So what are amines? Amines are nitrogenous compounds regarded as derivative of ammonia in which one or more hydrogen atoms have been replaced by alkyl or aryl group. This is ammonia molecule. When one of this hydrogen is replaced by any alkyl or aryl group, we will get structure like this. These are called amines. There are three possibilities. We can also exchange this hydrogen as well and this hydrogen as well. So on the basis of that, amines are further classified. First is primary amine. This can be classified as primary amine. Primary amines, when one hydrogen atom is replaced by any alkyl or aryl group, we will get primary amines. Example of this is methylamine, or this is aniline. A special name has been given to this. This is an example of aryl amine, also known as aniline. Okay. Secondary amines, second classification is secondary amines. When two hydrogen atoms of ammonia have been replaced by alkyl or aryl group, we will get secondary amines. Example of these are when we exchange two hydrogens by methyl group, we will get dimethylamine. Please here introduce one hydrogen atom that is missing. Another example here, diphenylamine. These are the secondary amines. Further classification is tertiary amine. When all the three hydrogen atoms of ammonia have been replaced by alkyl or aryl group, we will get tertiary amines. Example of this is, you can substitute any alkyl group. I have shown the methyl group 1, 2 and 3. 3 methyl groups are present here. So this will be trimethylamine. Another example, 2 methyl group, 1 phenyl group. So name will be N,N-dimethyl-aniline. Next topic of discussion is structure of amines. As we know, in case of ammonia, ammonia contains a lone pair and sp3 hybridized. Like ammonia, amines are also sp3 hybridized with a lone pair present in their structure with a bond angle of 109 and 5 degree. Okay students. Next topic of discussion will be nomenclature of the amines. How we can name the amines? There are two ways or two systems by which we can name amines. First system is common system and second one is IUPAC system. So according to common system, the amines are named as alkyl group followed by word amine. So if we consider the example of this, methyl group is substituted with amine, we will name this as, this is alkyl group means methylamine. Okay. In the next example, see how many number of carbon atoms are there? 4 carbon atoms are there. So for the 4 carbon we use word root but. So butylamine. As this is linear, no branching is there, we will use normal. Second system of nomenclature is IUPAC system. According to IUPAC system, amines are named as, first we will write the alkene plus amine. As we see here, alkene ended up with E and amine start up with A. So two vowels are in continuation, so we will remove E and add amine directly. So the name will be, this is methane, remove E and add amine. So name will be methenamine. In the next example, see, this is 3 carbon chain. For 3 carbon chains we use word propane, E, we will remove E and add amine. So name will be 2-propanamine as the NH2 group is attached as second carbon. Next is the secondary and tertiary amines. How they are named? Secondary and tertiary amines are named as nitrogen substituted primary amines. See the example here, 2 methyl groups are attached. So we will, one we take as substituent, other is included in the chain. So name will be N-methyl methenamine. N-dimethyl methenamine. Aromatic amines are named as derivatives of aniline, where aniline is this. Please remember this structure. This is aniline. When one H is replaced by an alkyl group, so name will be N-methyl aniline. N-methyl methenamine. So next topic of discussion now will be method of preparation. How amines are prepared. First method of preparation is from nitro compounds. We will prepare amines from nitro compound via two ways. The first is catalytic reduction and second one is chemical reduction. So first we will discuss about catalytic reduction. What is catalytic reduction? Catalytic reduction is we will treat the nitro compounds with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum and we will get amines. Nitro compounds treated with molecular hydrogen in the presence of nickel, platinum or platinum. But this method of preparation suffers from a serious drawback that it reduces other groups like double or triple bond if present in the reagent. For example, if there is a side chain, any other functional group is present, that will get reduced hand by hand. Okay. Second way is chemical reduction. We can also reduce nitro compounds via chemical reduction. In this case, we will treat nitro compounds with tin in the presence of HCl followed by hydroxylation followed by steam distillation and we will get amines. This is the safest way as compared to the catalytic reduction. Next is the second method of preparation from nitriles. What are nitriles? Nitriles are the compound which contain cyano group. Cyano is also called nitrile. So there are, from reduction of nitriles we can get amines. There are two ways, catalytic reduction and chemical reduction as in the case of nitro compounds. So first we will discuss about catalytic reduction. The nitrile compounds were treated with molecular hydrogen in the presence of nickel or platinum and we will get amines. Second way is chemical reduction. In chemical reduction, the nitriles are treated with sodium in the presence of ethanol and we will get amines. This is also called Mendius reaction. When the reagent is catalyst is sodium in the presence of ethanol and starting material is nitrile, this is termed as Mendius reaction. Please note students, this is Mendius reaction. Third method of preparation is reductive amination of aldehydes or ketones. These are, if this is H, this will be aldehyde. If this is alkyl group, this will be ketone. When these are treated with amines, for example, see here I have treated this with ammonia, we will get amines. See here, when this is treated with amine, there is a loss of water molecule H2 from this and oxygen from this and we will get this type of compound, double bond NH. When this is reduced, as this is similar to nitrile, when this is reduced, sodium in the presence of ethanol is used as in case of Mendius reduction, we will get amines. Okay, you can use nickel or platinum also, but the best method is sodium in the presence of ethanol. Next method of preparation, fourth method of preparation is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. In this case, we will use thalamide. This is thalamide. When this is treated with base, what the base will do? The base will do the active hydrogen, abstract this hydrogen as H positive and create a negative charge here. So we will get this. When this is treated with alkyl halide, this is negatively charged, R is positively charged. This will get attached here and we will get the product. When this is hydrolyzed, we will get amines and dicarboxylic acid. Okay, this is the Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. So what we did in this? Firstly, potassium salt of thalamide is prepared, then treated with alkyl halide followed by hydrolysis to give primary amines. This method is used for the preparation of aliphatic or alkyl primary amines. Next method of preparation is Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. In this reaction, the acid amides are treated with bromine in the presence of base and we will get amines. Please note here, in this case, acid amides are treated with bromine or chlorine in an alkaline solution to give amines containing one carbon atom less than the starting amide. Okay. we have got 1 carbon less. So these are the method of preparation for amines. Please listen the video carefully and practice. And there is one assignment also. This is the assignment 1. Assignment 1 is do practice of at least 30 amines by naming them via IUPAC system. Okay students, and you have to submit this on the same day. Okay, thank you so much.